Hi lads, in this video I'm going to go through how to 2011 section B question 4 from ordinary level. It tells us every new house must have a building energy rating, otherwise known as a BER certificate. The figure shows the elevation and plan of the initials BER. The grid and elevation is made up of 15 mil squares and the thickness and plan is 10 mil. Draw one of the following views: A, an isometric view of the initials, or B, an oblique view of the initials. So for this question I'm going to focus on the B part, an oblique view of the initials. So start off the question, I'm going to draw out my actual grid. So I'm told the grid is 180 mil long and it's going to be a total of 90 in height. The first thing I need to do is divide up my 15 mil squares. So 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120, 135, 150, then 165, and that leaves me 15, a third of me 180. And I take all them heights up, or sorry, all them widths up. I do the exact same with the side, so just let that focus there. So you can see there I have all my 15s going across. Now the same going down, so 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, and the last is 90. Take all them across, and then I can start drawing out the BER logo then. So starting off with the B first. It's the full length there going all the way down. Then it goes across 2 on the top as well, 4 going out at 45 degrees. Then drops down 1 and goes up 1, and then they meet at 45 degrees there in the centre. And then we just draw on a square box on the top and on the bottom. So that completes the B then. So for E, baseline is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 across. So out here, it's going to go up 1. It's then going to be one up like this. And there's a 2 square gap, and it only goes up 1 there and there. So the outline of the E looks like that. Then the R, the full length there on the side, goes across, skips 1, and then it goes up 3, connecting in here, and then it goes out at 45 degrees. This one goes down 45 degrees. They connect together there. The top goes across like that. And then this line connects here. And then we have a square in the middle as well. And that's the BER outline now drawn. So then for oblique we go back at 45 degrees. So I'm going to decide to go 45 degrees to the left, to the right. You can also go to the left if you wanted to. Your answer will look different, but once you carry out the same method, your answer will be correct then. So there are all my lines taken out. I'm going to start off with the bottom half here going 10 mil. It has to go parallel back there. And I can take that 10 mil dot across to there, and take that straight up there and across. And I can use this width here. It's going to be the exact same above because them two lines are parallel to each other. And I can do the inside of the top square there like that. And these two lines are in line with each other, so these two have to be as well. So it saves me having to measure 10 mil every time. You can do it if you want, but just to speed it up, I'm going to do it this way here, because I know the distances are going to be the same. And that's going to go across there. And that's the B now drawn in an oblique. And it's the exact same with the E again. So just for the top half, take the lines out all the 45s. That height there, I can take across again. I can draw in that without having to measure the 10. If I was to measure, it would be the exact same. That can go down to there. Now I have to measure 10 mil for this one. Take that across like that. Take it over. And then down. And the bottom one, that line there is in line with this one, so I can just take that 10 mil line across there. Take this down to meet it. And then my last two lines, that one there going up, and this one going up as well. And that completes the E, and the last one is the R. So it lines out once again at 45 degrees. I can take my height across here again because they're on the same line. Because this is going 45 degrees this way, I take a parallel as well. Take that straight down. And with this 10 mil height here, because this line is the same height as that, just like this one here, you can see they all line up, and that gives the internal section of the OR there. But once again, you can measure it out if you want each time on the 10 mil, it doesn't make a difference. This is just to speed it up. Then for the base, all them lines are the same, so I can take that 10 mil distance there. That gives me 10 mil going back there. And you can see here, because this line is at this angle here, I just use sliding set squares, take that parallel there. And then the last part, that goes back at 45, does this go straight up, that one goes straight up there. And that completes the OR then. So hopefully that video helps anybody who might have been stuck in that one. And I just focus it there so you can see the end. So hopefully that video helps.